We have a 2018 Ram turbo diesel, 2500, 20,000 miles on it. Still has the factory warranties. On top of that, what you would get with this vehicle is a pro certified lifetime powertrain warranty, unlimited years, unlimited miles. It's good for anywhere in the country. This vehicle does have a bed liner in it. It's a little wet because it did rain yesterday. It is spacious back here, enough for whenever you're carrying your passengers. Both sides have boxes, floor liner. Also storage underneath the seats and cup holders. Four-wheel drive. It does flip up. Carry 5 passengers. Does have a backup camera.